Before I start with anything, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of your support and love. I have just reached 350 plus subscribers and over 1000 views in a very short time. I totally appreciate your support and love. Thank you. Samsung has delayed the launch of Samsung Fold for a couple of reasons, and no one knows when is the exact date of launching. After a number of cons that reviewers has faced in a matter of hours and days of usage. We will go through all of the cons of this device in a while. But before we start, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing and don't forget the bell icon in order to stay updated. Now, before you make your decision about getting Samsung Fold device and before you pre-order it, just take some time and watch this video as you may change your mind of getting this device or maybe delay it indefinitely. Famous YouTubers just like Marcus Brownlee and Lou from Unbox Therapy got their Samsung Fold phones broken only in a matter of 1 or 2 days. And some reviewers got it broken even before switching it on, cause they tried to peel off the lip that they thought it's a screen protector, and it turns out it's not. Peeling that lip off leads to a broken and unuseful phone. Samsung Fold is the first of its kind on the market, as it's the first foldable phone that you can use as a phone and a tablet in the same time. And that's not new to Samsung, as they are always coming up with new ideas and technologies. But because it's the first launch, no doubt that it will have some cons and problems that people will face and start complaining about. I'm going to go through the most important ones in my opinion, but if you have faced or heard more problems about Samsung Fold, please comment it down below. Samsung Fold comes with a lip on top of the screen that protects the screen, but unfortunately peeling that lip off damages the screen, which of course will be super expensive to replace. Even if you did not peel off the lip and try to be a careful user, after a while of folding and unfolding your phone, you will notice an annoying crease in the middle of the screen. While using Samsung Fold as a phone, you will feel that the screen is very small and the phone is as heavy as holding two phones together. You will think 10 times before getting your Samsung Fold into water or in a dusty place. It just feels unsafe. But as I said earlier, this is a unique device and it needs time to rise and shine. Only if Samsung took the time to fix all of these major problems, Samsung Fold can make a whole of a new experience to phones. Please comment your thoughts about the video and press the like button if you like the video, and if you are super happy, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and until next week with a new tech.